In this short tutorial, you will learn how to add the screen recording button to your iPhone's control center. The control center is a handy tool that gives you quick access to important features. Having the screen recording option there makes it quick and easy to capture what's happening on your screen. To get started, swipe down from the top right corner, just like this. Once you have the control center open, look for a small plus button located at the top left corner of your screen. Tap this button to enter edit mode, where you can customize your controls. Then tap where it says, Add a control. Now it's time to find the screen recording option. At the top of this menu, there's a search bar. Tap on it and type, Screen Recording. As you type, suggestions will appear below. Once screen recording shows up, tap on it to select it. After selecting it, it will automatically be added to your control center. You can also rearrange its position by dragging it, and also make it bigger. This allows for even quicker access based on personal preference. To exit edit mode and finalize these changes, simply tap anywhere on an empty space outside of this menu. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.